Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems look intimidating, but we can solve this definite integral quickly by following 3 simple steps. Watch this process to master the math right now. First, rewrite the square root as a power of -1/2. Apply the power rule for integration to find the antiderivative, which is 2 times the square root of x. Now, evaluate this expression at the upper limit k and the lower limit 1. Subtracting these values gives us 2 times the square root of k minus 2 equals 10. Finally, add 2 to both sides to get 12, divide by 2 to get 6, and square both sides to find that k equals 36. You got this, team! Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Never forget your bounds or sign errors. Always use the power rule and square both.